What's up YouTube? I'm going to show you how to replace the RAM and also remove the hard drive from a 2006 to 2009 MacBook. There's a few things I want to tell you guys before we get started. If you have a 2006 or 2007 MacBook, you can unofficially upgrade it to 3 gigabytes or 3.3 gigabytes if you're using two 2 gigabyte sticks. If you have the 2008 to 2009 model, then you can upgrade it to a full 4 gigabytes of RAM. This particular model is a 2008 with 1 gigabyte of RAM. And I'm going to be upgrading it today to 2.5 gigabytes of RAM with my 2 gigabyte stick. So to get started, what you'll need is a small Phillips head screwdriver, a coin of some sort, and your RAM. What you will want to do next is to flip the MacBook over. And to get started, let's grab our coin and unlock the battery. Once you have done that, you want to ground yourself by touching the metal part of the MacBook. There are 3 screws, one there, there, and there. So let's remove those. Okay, once you have done that, there's this metal bracket and you want to pull off like that. One thing I wanted to note about these screws, they don't come out, so if you notice that they're not coming out, they shouldn't. So now with the RAM, these 2 levers that you want to push back all the way to release the RAM, like so. So there you go. And to put it back, you just push back in like that. So let's grab our 2 gigabyte stick. Let's put that in there. Okay, and make sure it's nice and firm. And make sure there's no leverage, nice and smooth up against there. Then with the hard drive, there's a tab hidden underneath here. You need to bring that out and pull it out. And you can see. To replace the hard drive, you need to remove this caddy. There is the star bit screws that Apple loves to use, I guess. It's similar to what you'd find on the iPhone or even on the new MacBooks. I've seen some people able to remove these with the Allen wrench or even a flathead screwdriver, but I recommend finding the particular bit to remove this so you don't do any damage to those screws. So to put it back, it's just slide it back in, push it till it pops back into place. And then put this back on. It can be kind of tricky, so just be kind of easy with it. But I'm pretty sure you guys can get it. It's pretty easy. It's just a little on the tricky side. These screws. And then after that, all you need to do is pop back in your battery. Alright. So then afterwards, to check and make sure your RAM upgrade was successful, you need to boot up your computer and see if the operating system recognizes it. So we're gonna go check that out now. So to check to see if your RAM is being recognized, what you'll want to do is click on the Apple icon, click About This Mac, and as you can see, it is coming up 2.5 gigabytes. So from there you can see if your RAM upgrade worked properly or not. If not, you might have to go back and make sure the RAM is seated properly and make sure you have the proper RAM for your system. But that's all I have for today. But until next time, thanks for watching.